Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about ThreadUp selling reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's start with the video. As you can see in the homepage of this website, there are walkout optionals, cozy combos, some sweaters for winters, etc. And 50% off is also going on. Now we'll go to the shopping section. So the shopping section offers clothing, accessories, etc. for women, girls and boys. Now, along with buying items, you can also sell items through this website. We'll go to the selling section. So in the selling section, it is given how we can sell. So how it works: order a kit, fill it up, send it off, we do the rest. How you will get paid: when eligible items sell, cash out or get shopping credit. This is how you can sell your items through this website. Now friends, let's check the payment method. For which that we need to add a product into the cart. After that, the payment methods are visible are Visa, Discover, MasterCard, Amex, etc. Now friends, let's check the shipping policy. For that, we need to go to the facts and questions section. In the facts and questions section, we'll go to the order status and question. So here it is given how long does it take to process an order. It generally takes 1 to 2 business days to pick, pack and ship out an order once a purchase has been made. Now friends, before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So friends, talking about the HTTPS protocol, this particular website has a secure connection, which is a good sign here. Talking about the domain name registration, this website has been registered on 15 November 2008 and is registered till 2026. So friends, this website has been registered quite years ago and is registered for a long term, which counts as a positive remark here. Now friends, let's check the About Us section. For that, we need to go to the home page. In the home page, as you can see, there is a very less information about the page available, which is a lacking point here. Now friends, let's go to the Contact Us section to see the Contact Us policies. In the Contact Us section, the physical address is available. For any all packages, please send to ThreadUp Distribution Center, 505 Louis Doctor, Merchandise Bar, PS 17055. Corporate headquarters are ThreadUp Inc. 969 Broadway, Suite 200, Auckland, CA 94607. So these are the physical address present. For customer service inquiries, visit and support center. Here need assistance. Visit our ThreadUp Twitter support. For media and partnership inquiries, email media@threadup.com. So these are the contact details. These are their physical address present on the map. Now friends, their phone number is also available, which is a good sign here. Now friends, we'll check the social media presence. So this website is registered on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, etc. As you can see. Talking about the Trustpilot review, it has got 3-star in Trustpilot, which is a good sign here. Now let's check the reviews. There is no reviews present on this particular website, but reviews has been found on Facebook. One of the customers says, horrible company, they take your money and don't deliver the product, and customer service is non-existence. Now let's check the reviews on Trustpilot. One of the customers says, don't use the business, a waste of time. Another customer says, terrible customer service. Some positive reviews are also there. A customer says, quick delivery, great product. So these are the mixed reviews. Mostly negative reviews are found. Now let's check the return policy. For that we need to go to the return policy section. For that we are going to the return policy section. It says all returns must be sent back within 14 days from the date of delivery of an item, and the refund policy says that ThredUp store credits will be refunded back to your account 5 to 7 days after the ThredUp has received an return order placed, while original payments returns can take up to an additional 3 to 5 business days to be refunded. These are the return and refund policy. Now let's talk about the quality and content of this website. The quality and content of this website is poor, with 88% plagiarized and multiple amount of duplicate images has been used, with spelling errors and grammatical mistakes, which counts again as a negative remark. On the basis of the most number of negative customer reviews, which says that most of them didn't receive their products on time or didn't receive at all, and based on lack in customer service quality, I would suggest my viewers to do their own amount of research before investing their money on such website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting guys. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you.